Good afternoon, Dr. Nurul Ali and my friends. My name is Siung Hua Siong. I'm from Mindulu Learning Center. Today I would like to present our assignment. First of all, let me us to know about the concept for the partnership. What is the partnership? It's a encompassing organization expert school to employ for a reach the model when parents inclusion should degree for the locally situation exercise to the class based exercise and think about the network component in it. Next, we need to know the definition for the family school community partnership. She allowed the community to connect for the principally to deliver positive instruction and social impact on the children. Besides that, there also a common value to the all gathering, including for the parents, community, and school. Okay, let us need to know the 6 type for the involvement. We can see for the aspect parenting. Parenting, in this aspect, we do need to help the all family to establish the house environment to support children as a student. Second is a communication. We need to design an effective form from the school to home and from house to school. Communication about the school progress and the children progress. Third one is a volunteer. We need to select and organize parents to help and support. Next is learning at home. Okay, provide information and idea to family about how to help students at home with the homework and other co-curriculum related activity, decision and planning. Next is the decision making. Okay, this must involve the parents in the school decision development, parent, leader and representative. Last one is a cooperation with the community. Okay. Identify and integrate resource and service from the community to strong school program, family practical and student learning and development. Okay, in this assignment, I do create 3 activities for family school partnership and 1 community school partnership in 1 year, the planning. From January to March 2009, we focus on the family school partnership. We will provide more activity for the family fun night. We will do on March. Okay, their location will put in the young center. And then for the second part, the partnership we do with the family is ability awareness day on Zoom. Okay, also the location is a young center. Okay, for next quarter we will do the breakfast of champion on September. And the lastly quarterly is do about the community school partnership. The title is collect and give. Okay, let's see one by one. From family school partnership, we are doing family night fun. The rationale we are able to the teacher and the parents more to comprehend the school objective for the student mathematics learning. Okay, the challenge for the is our first thing is how to measure all the data we collect from the family, and to students to understand and to use able and connect with the children achievement in the school. The objective of the family make fun night, we are to enable the parent to see some strategy appropriate to help the children to significant the mathematics at home. When the parents learn from the school, from that day, then they will do the more activity at the home to help the children to improve their mathematics. Okay, in this program, at the end, we hope can increase the children's interest in the learning mathematics from simple level until the difficult level. Second activity for family school partnership is the ability awareness day. Okay, for this day, we hope we can advance the right and the possibility for the children with the disability in all circles of society and growth. The challenging is facing by the children nowadays is for the normal children, they don't know how to accept their friend with disability. Okay, the objective of the ability awareness day we to inform, to build out their knowledge, the awareness to the children, to accept, to know every kind for disability. End of this activity, children able to accept with the children who is the friend is have a special needs. For third one, the activity for family school partnership, we are organized breakfast of champion. Okay, now the breakfast is so important for each children for the development and the learning. Okay, now the parents is busy working, they are not time to prepare the breakfast to the child. Okay, we do this activity want to create awareness to the parents how important the breakfast to the each children. At the end of this activity, we hope parents can spend their time on the preparing food to the children, help their children, give their children nutrient food to grow as well as. Another activity for the community school partnership is collect and give. Okay, we want to make the natural awareness about the children, the significance for the clothes already cannot use, can donate to the some people need. Okay, the challenging is now the children don't know how to sharing. For this activity, we want to teach the children to sharing. Okay, besides that, at the end of this activity, the child have an opportunity to contribute, give something to the person in need. Okay, first of all, for the family mathematics fun night, we will hopefully through this activity, each children can increase their children soft to learning, love to learn, and then they use their body to do some activity like hand-on activity. Okay, besides that, their heart like to love, they have a full at the activity, and then the brain have to thinking, creative to solve the problem. They use their all their balancing in their soft body, mind, and heart in learning mathematics. Okay, we will provide the activity like for song. Song is easy for the children to learn. Besides that, to count. Besides that, we also provide the activity to make the counting book. They involve the parents make together with the children. There will increase their relationship and build a relationship between their parents and the children. Lastly, we will bring the children and parents to work out for the outside activity like nature work, go to the jungle nearly park to work, and then from there they can learn mathematics also. Their children can collect different type of shirt for the liver. Children can learn for that, for the environment. Okay, for the ability awareness day, at that day children will divide the different group, and the different group the children will wear different color t-shirt come to the school. Okay, then there were from the different color children learn different their ability. For example, group color, gray color, they represent the athlete disability. This different color, they are represent different disability. Okay. Besides that, parents also will do the sharing about the information regarding this different disability. And then second, third, and fourth activity regarding their hearing, visual, motor impairment. From the different activity, gains children to know, to awareness from the different disability. Lastly is a breakfast of the champion activity, and that day we will invite the doctor from the hospital Mintulu to give a speak about the breakfast. Okay, to create the awareness to the parents how to prepare breakfast with the neutral to their children. Besides that, we provide the activity for food craft or food art. From this both activity, children and parents will do together and get fun for the activity. Okay, for the community partnership activity, we will do collect and give project. This activity will give the clothes and reduce the waste. Their main support is Tatika, Matahari, and Community Love. We will start from August 2009. Okay, implementing is a community service team. For the overall of the project, we'll give all the clothes to encourage need and to make awareness message to the children. Okay, for the budget side, we can see for the slide. Okay, family make fun night budget is 1,500. Awareness for the ability awareness day is 2,000, and for the breakfast of the champion is 3,000, and for the collect and give is 1,100. Total will budget is 7,600. Okay, this is a program of each activity. Okay, we can before we start all the activity, we have to register, and then we will do the ice breaking activity to build the relationship between the parents, children, and teacher. I have to relax, ready for the that day activity. Okay. As a conclusion, parent involvement can improve children behavior attendance and achievement. Besides that, we do the partnership with the community will enrich children learning experience. Thank you. That's all for my presentation.